Hello guys, this is Raj, and in the today's video we are not going to be talking about any English improvement or anything that I generally talk, because this video is a conversation between two friends, and you can see that how the way two friends are talking about the basic English. Two friends are talking about their daily life, whatever they are doing, because since so long they didn't meet with each other, and that is why they didn't talk with each other also. That is why also this is a conversation, so it is helpful for beginners and intermediate level speakers also, because in this conversation you would like to know and you will get to know that how English conversation is done. And I am making this series and I will be continuing this series, okay, but I want one thing from your side, because if you are getting value from this video, if after watching the entire video, if you are liking this video, so if you are actually liking my videos, this type of videos, definitely I am getting motivation to make more videos for you, because this type of videos really requires your like. And also if you are new to my channel, you can definitely subscribe my channel for getting more videos like that for your beginner or intermediate level speaker, so that you can understand the English conversation. Because this type of videos like English conversation between father and children, English conversation between teacher and student, English conversation between two stranger, now this time I am making with two friends, so many type of conversation is going to come. But I need your support by the way of liking this video, because it is absolutely free of cost and it is a clear indication of motivation for me to make this type of videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let me call Raj, since so long we didn't call. Hello Raj, how are you? Yeah, I am doing absolutely well. What about you? Yes, I am absolutely fine. And since so long we didn't talk, that's why I thought that I should call you. Yes, I was also thinking to call someone for having a conversation, and that's what you called. Oh, really? That's really good. And so tell me, how is your studies going on? Yeah, just going on normally, you can say. So Raj, when will you have your examination? Yeah, this July I have my examination. So, I am little worried about that, because what will happen I do not know. That is why I'm little worried about that. Don't worry, because everything will be fine, because it's just an examination. And one thing, always recall that always you should take care of your health, right? Because that is what most important, I would say. And I think that if you are taking care of your health, definitely it is the sign of your fitness. And in case of examination, you should be fit physically also, so take care of your physical health. That is also most important. Vijay, I am trying my best to keep myself updated, to keep myself fit as much as I can. So okay, let it be. So tell me when you are going to come to my home, because since so long you came here, right? So you should come and I am waiting. When will you come? Sure Raj. I will visit, yes, obviously I will visit your house very soon, because this Sunday I will be free, right? So this Sunday, or maybe like on Sunday, generally I do not have any work, so on Sunday I can visit your house also. Sure. This Sunday I am free, or any Sunday, right? So Sunday I have no work, because Sunday I am taking my rest. So yes, Sunday you can come and together we can have a lot of conversation, and also we can watch some movies together, right? So that is why I am telling you to come Sunday. I'll be also free. Okay, so see you then this Sunday, because this Sunday I am having free time, so I can definitely visit to your home also, and we can really talk a lot and we can also do fun activities, right? So this Sunday I'll be free also. Sure. I'll be waiting for you this Sunday. So you should definitely come, and I'll be eagerly waiting for your come, right? Definitely. Hey Raj, it was nice conversation with you, and see you this Sunday. And really, we will be enjoying a lot. Bye. Sure. Bye also. And it was nice conversation with you. Thank you so much.